Hey guys, welcome back to our channel, and today we are going to be doing 5 DIY edible slimes with no glue, borax, or activator, or anything like that, because it's edible. So first we're going to start with some gum, and you're going to put it in some warm water, which we have right here. And you're just going to let it there, and technically what you're doing right here now is you're letting the sugars go out of your piece of gum. And once you think it's been long enough, 5, 10, 15 minutes, you're going to take it out and start kneading. And so we'll show you guys the final results in just a second. So this is how it will turn out. It's such a nice, soft, stretchy slime. It's one of my personal favorite edible slimes because it's very good, very tasty, and very long-lasting. This one you do not need a container for because gum doesn't really dry out like slime. So let's get on to our next one. Okay, so next is a dots recipe. We're going to take some dots, which we have. We don't have a lot, but it's going to make a really small slime. You're going to need them, but it's really hard to knead, so we are going to microwave them. And dots, you can also use some other candy, which is nice and soft. So we're going to go microwave those. So, after a while of adding some cornstarch, kneading it with our hands, it was really messy. You only need to microwave it for about 30 seconds. It actually cooked some of our dots. And so, as you can see, our bowl is extremely messy. And it made a beautiful slime. It looks so metallic-y, very stretchy. And this is a really good slime, and it's very edible. It's only 2 ingredients plus the microwave. And the cornstarch kind of made it taste like it overpowered the dots, so it doesn't taste so much like the dots anymore. But it's still a good edible slime. So let's go on to the next one. So next will be our Laffy Taffy and Starburst slime. So technically this is a 1 ingredient, but we're going to add some Laffy Taffy to it. And of course, just to give us a big laugh because it's Laffy Taffy. And Laffy Taffy is the easier one to mix, but you just need to knead these until they are very soft. So we have some Starburst, and we're going to get into our Laffy Taffy. And it gets soft pretty easily, but you just need to knead it. And you can do certain different colors, or you can just knead a bunch of them and then mix them all together to make it like a galaxy slime or something. But this slime is really easy. It's a 1 ingredient slime. And if you guys are bored and you have some leftover Halloween candy that you guys don't want to eat, you can just knead in some Starburst, and you'll have a beautiful slime just to play with. So we're going to knead these. If you guys want it to be easier, you can microwave it for about 10 minutes, 10 seconds, and the longer you put it in, the softer it will get. So we're just going to knead this in, and we'll see you once it all is kneaded. We microwaved it for 15 seconds, and it completely melted. So we are going to refrigerate it. So make sure you only microwave it for 3 seconds at a time because Starburst melt really fast. So we're going to see you once it's refrigerated and made. While that is in the refrigerator, we're going to put in our marshmallows and gummy bears. And we're going to both microwave them 5 seconds at a time so that we don't have the same problem that happened to our Starburst. So they melted pretty fast. How long did it take them to melt?
Almost 30 seconds, which I might have put them in a little bit too long. So, like 20 seconds. Just take it out every 10 seconds. Like that, I think 30 seconds was a little bit too much. Well, actually for the marshmallow, it actually was about perfect. But for the gummy bears, they kind of melted together.
It smells really good.
Smells really good. Actually, no. Well, it's turning into a kind of grayish color. That's kind of gross looking. But yeah, I melted these ones a little bit too much, and they're kind of liquidy. But we can put these in the refrigerator as well. And then I will get back to you with finishing the marshmallow slime. After the marshmallow slime, we'll take out the Starbursts and the gummy bears, and we'll see how they turn out.
So you're just going to add a tiny bit of the vegetable oil into our marshmallow bowl. And then, any oil actually, we're using vegetable oil, so if you want our consistency the way that ours will turn out, then you can add some vegetable oil. You're just going to mix it in until it is all the oil is mixed in, and then we're going to start with our cornstarch, and we're going to add that in until it makes our slime. So yeah,
this is how the marshmallow slime turned out. After the vegetable oil, we're going to add in the cornstarch now, very slowly, and then we will
show you the final results when we get back.
Okay, so after you finish kneading after you put in some cornstarch, you can knead the marshmallow slime, and this is what it should look like. It's not sticky at all, but don't put it on any surfaces and let it dry because it gets stuck there. I've done this slime before, and I put it on a piece of furniture, wooden furniture, and it is still stuck there. Except it was a little bit more sticky than this one. So I would say this was a success. I love this slime. It's super soft, and it's quite stretchy. So we will go grab the gummy bears and Starburst out of the refrigerator, and we'll be back with you in a minute.
So if you guys are wondering what I've been playing with, I made a slime backwards. And so we accidentally refrigerated the Starburst slime for too long, but
I took some out, and this is how it turned out. It's really stretchy and nice, so I would recommend doing this slime. So here, that was that slime. And then here is the gummy bear slime. It's still kind of sticky, but I'm going to add in a little bit of cornstarch and see how it turns out. Wait, so I would say this slime wouldn't work. You guys can keep adding cornstarch, but I would say this slime didn't really work. Try doing it for a little bit less time and adding more cornstarch, and it may work for you guys. So thank you for watching this video.
Hope you enjoyed. Subscribe to our channel if you guys already are subscribers. Hit that notification bell and share our videos with your friends or family, and like this video. And if you've already subscribed, please comment down below and
what type of video we should do next. Thanks guys for watching.
Bye.